name is Piotr. This is my wife Inga. We are from Amber. Our company is based in Easton. Today we are in one of our projects in Kensington.
We are a family-owned company. We specialise in design, supply and installation, mainly in kitchens and bathrooms, but we also can take the project throughout. It is a galley kitchen which was designed carefully around our clients' needs and requirements. We installed sinter stone worktop.
We install a quaker tap, which is boiling hot water and drinking water.
We also accommodated steel doors to the garden. The design of the flat is completely different in terms of the flow of the space. It utilises the space in a much better way. If you've got a project that you would like to discuss with us, please feel free to contact us and we will provide the details.